Mr. Adams.
Gavin, how we doing?
We're doing
good. Good.
What does the canned food drive mean to you?
Oh, that's a serious question.
It's a very serious question.
I was not ready for that kind of question.
Take a minute if you need to.
What does the canned food drive mean to me? It's an opportunity for us to kind of just put a blessing on different families and so they can enjoy the holidays too.
It's a very good answer. Thank you very much. It is the season of giving. What does the canned food drive mean to you?
It's pretty great.
It's just a chance to give back to our community and make sure that everyone has a good Thanksgiving.
What does the canned food drive mean to you?
Helping people.
How excited are you for today's assembly?
I got a scale of 1 to 10.
On a scale from 1 to 10.
6.5.
You're really 6.5 out of 10. That's how excited you are? Is that a real answer?
Yeah.
She's not very excited for today's assembly.
A 10.
Okay. She changed her answer. We're good now. We're good.
Ooh, it's awesome. Great thing for our community. Our school does an awesome job. I'm always excited about it. It's gonna be great, and we're gonna get a lot of food.
Yes. How excited are you for today's assembly?
Oh, I'm super excited. I've been sick for a week, so this is gonna be the best part of my week.
It's to help families in need, and it's also a fun competition in between classes.
It means that we give food away to homeless people.
It's one of the few times that we give every student, staff member here at the high school a chance to participate in a community service project. And we help multiple families. We've done as many as 55 before, we've done as few as 20-some, but in reality it also helps us participate in something to give back to our community. He's looking for the first person to come down and give him a hug. I got this one right here. Thank you so much. We got more hugs than we bargained for.
What grade do you think is going to win?
Seniors. Seniors, of course. This isn't their first rodeo. They're ready to win this thing. They come in motivated, they're experienced, and they know how to win when it matters.
Are you biased?
I'm not biased. I teach freshmen, sophomores, juniors, and seniors. But I do kind of like the seniors this year.
So you are biased?
Maybe a little bit, but I do think they've got the experience.
So you think it's about experience, not about the school spirit?
Oh, they care. They want to go out, so they have more school spirit, I think, because they want to go out on top. It's their last year. It's their last assemblies. It's their last Thanksgiving week. It's their last homecoming. It's their last all of that. So they always bring a little bit more.
We've got nickels, dimes. We've got 35 cents. Go ahead and place that into the bucket. There we go. That sounds like a happy Thanksgiving.
The money on the tape for the penny drive. We're going to see which grade has the most.
Senior sent stepmom. Hey, thank you so much. I appreciate you. They sent senior pictures out. Stepmom replied, I love your pics so much. You look gorgeous and happy. I cried when I saw them. I'm grateful for you too. Yeah. We got 1 minute to create a masterpiece using only your nose. Are we ready? Contestants, are we ready?
Freshman, sophomore, junior, senior.
We got a timer. Are we ready?
I'm expecting a strong showing of juniors today.
Brooke, are you ready? You got music set up?
Limited amount of paint.
3, 2, 1, go.
All right, we're off. Seniors off to a strong start. Sophomores, not so much. Seniors. Freshmen, hardly. Juniors doing okay. Seniors looking like it's taken so far. We got sophomores. Oh, juniors are making some headway. Oh, seniors already have the face on. Get a video of that. Seniors have the face and the stem. Oh my gosh. They're going over the outside again. Freshmen haven't even started. Okay, we got Dalen over here. Dalen over here is doing really well. Juniors are doing, I don't know that juniors are doing all that well. Oh, freshmen haven't even gotten the body painted yet. Yikes. Oh, I think seniors might take it. Seniors might take it. Seniors might take it. Oh, sophomores are looking kind of bad. Juniors, oh, seniors got two. What did you do this morning, and especially your entire life, to prepare for this assembly game?
You know, I've been painting pumpkin with my nose since I was 6, and it's been great.
Good, good, thank you.
A realistic pumpkin.
Okay, we got a realistic pumpkin going on.
Trying to do like ruts. Photorealism here. This one we're really filling this space. That's good. This one
We need a mic.
some creativity here. Maybe into a jack-o'-lantern as well. I see some creative jack-o'-lanterns over here too. And I'm going to say this one also has viewer interest because there's 2 different sized pumpkins.
Oh.
So this one hit 2 points here, and I'm going to give it to them.
Seniors, first place points.
It seems like we see the gym. Not exactly sure who's winning at the moment. Freshmen don't seem to be doing a very great job. 2 minutes. Let's go. They seem to be doing pretty well so far, but freshmen and seniors definitely are not winning.
The freshmen ate 9.4 grams according to our calculations for 4th place. 9.4 grams. The juniors consumed 34.4 grams. Our next one had 125.1 grams eaten, and it was the seniors. That means the sophomores, and I saw that pie, it was pretty much gone. The sophomores ate 163 grams of their pie. Fantastic job. Go! 2 items. Only 2 items, only 2 items. 1, 2, go. 1, 2, go. Just 2, just 2. We lost a shoe. We are running out of our shoes. Look at that. Got the turkey. All the turkey is frozen. It is a butterball turkey.
They can run pretty fast.
2 things. There you go. We got 1 item down here. This is close. This is close. This is close. We need to get the table set up.
You could just like throw it in the trash can.
Set it all up. I got juniors. Do I got everything? I got seniors, so juniors, seniors, freshmen, sophomores, seniors, juniors. Well done, you guys. Woo! We are. We are. We are. Last one. We are. Hey, thank you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Enjoy your long weekend. Stay safe.